So it is a growth factor and also a cytokine which is produced by a lot of tissues that will stimulate the bone marrow. Dihydroorotate dehydrogenase inhibitor, which is an inhibitor of the pyrimidine metabolism. So what is another important deal before we go to exam? One question definitely on purine pyrimidine metabolism. Without that there is no paper. So it is typically the leflunomide which is used as a disease modifying agent in rheumatoid arthritis, which is a pyrimidine metabolism inhibitor of the de novo synthesis of the pyrimidine metabolism. So where does dihydroorotate dehydrogenase come into picture, doctor? ATP plus glutamine form carbamyl phosphate which become dihydroorotate and that becomes orotate in the mitochondria. That is inhibited by the leflunomide. In turn orotate become orotidine monophosphate which become uridine monophosphate, which is the pyrimidine de novo pathway, is what I want to underscore to all of you. This is a very routine rut question which is asked many times in a past entrances. So if you read old question paper book, if few things can be helped out, yes, this is an example. So if you take the germ cell tumors, doctor, just like carcinoma cervix arises from carcinoma in situ, right? Any carcinoma, like adenocarcinoma of esophagus arises from Barrett's esophagus. They found that some germ cell tumors arise from in situ. Okay, so which germ cell tumors arise from intratubular germ cell neoplasia, which is counterpart of your in situ germ cell tumor? It is the embryonal carcinomas which arise. Whereas if you take spermatocytic seminoma or York sac tumor or teratoma, they don't arise from any in situ tumors, is what you have to basically remember. This is a very easy question. You passed MBBS pathology means every time short answer question is metastatic or dystrophic calcification. So hyperparathyroidism is responsible. Metastases are the most common tumor which come to the liver because liver is in the portal circulation, very important. It receives meds from the intestine, it receives meds from the pulmonary and systemic circulation. So that is the reason. One question generally aims question bank may on staining, that is the deal, right? So one question, PAS stain is used where, methenamine Gomori stain is used where. So this time question is about frozen section is needed for staining what? It is used for fat. But I am sure, doctor, this is once more a guesswork in the sense that you topper everybody and the topper within you, everybody has to guess. There is nothing like unless you have done diploma pathology and after 2 years you are once more writing entrance. I am very sure. Where are spider cells? Once more Agaya astrologer. So you must be able to guess that it is rhabdomyoma. How many answered it as myxoma? Doctor, you didn't carry the luck factor that day. That's all. Don't worry about it. There's nothing to do with ability of doing things. That's the reason they need to put some negative marks to basically do a little more filtration. But I know you are all chlamydia, filterable still. So H. pylori induced cancer. Can you be able to guess what are the options? Was gastric metaplasia was there? It arises from gastric metaplasia. Or intestinal metaplasia is also there? Only metaplasia is there? Obviously it is a metaplasia to carcinoma transformation, which is typically done. Now what is a dacryocyte? It is a teardrop cell which is found in myelofibrosis, thalassemias, etc., etc. The dacryocyte typically. Now comes the most dangerous question in forensic medicine. What is that, doctor? Which snake has slithered into your underpants in the exam hall? So you must be very sure that it is the kite which decided your fate in the exam. So how much is the kite poison? Probably you must have felt after it bites anyway we can look in the book and inject ourselves. So remember that crate is the most dangerous venom out of all. And it is 6 grams, which is the lethal dose. Once more, astrologer should help you. No coaching teacher can be able to help you on that. You know what is speciality of the crate poison? If a person is sleeping in the floor, crate bite is painless bite. That's one beauty part of it. And it leads to respiratory paralysis that by the time he wakes up, he is dead. So death in the sleep, if you want that privilege, live in the bed of the crate. So that is the plan. Now, Paltos hemorrhages. This is a very traditional question. Anybody has tried to answer heart or something else? I don't think so. Lungs subplurally. Typically it is being found in the lower lobes of the lungs more. I think next time entrance examiner will ask, in the upper lobe, in the esophagus lobe, is it in the posterior inferior lobe, where is it found? Your answer need to be lower lobes. Now comes a very important question about, you should also be good in hanging people. Which kind of hanging will lead to adduction injury of the hyoid is the question. How many answer it as ligature strangulation? Oh, that's a little bad luck. Don't worry. It is the throttling, which is called the manual strangulation, which is basically responsible, is what we need to basically remember. So what is meant by criminal negligence and which IPC section basically deals with that? One question comes on Indian Penal Code, right? So it is the IPC 304, which basically deals with the criminal negligence, is what we should be very sure. Now comes the drowning. How many got drowned in this question? In the actual exam hall? Nobody? Because it's a very common question. Wet drowning, dry drowning, I know you are all drowning specialists. So whenever the individual drowns, no water is entering, it is a laryngeal spasm, which is basically called as the dry drowning, is what we need to basically remember. Was it Integrated Management of the Childhood Diseases Program, IMCI? Was it the question? So childhood TB is not included. What is included is malaria, diarrhea, respiratory infections, which are the major component leading to the development of the mortality, is what need to be remembered. National Rural Health Mission, when is it basically started? It is in the 2005, and what are the objectives up to 2012, 2005 to 12, 7 year each, is what need to be remembered about National Rural Health Mission. This is a very easy question. Once more, this Rural Health Mission is also astrologer. Numerical will play the role. It is not a very traditional question. Mean equal to median equal to mode is basically the distribution curve, is what need to be remembered. What is stage 4 versus stage 3 of HIV infection? It only needs a little obsessive compulsive neurosis to read clearly what are in 3 and 4. If you know what is HIV, that is enough, na? Why people should stage you? So if you look at the oral candidiasis, it is in the stage 3, not in 4. Whereas the wasting is a component of the stage 4, is the point of interest here. If you want to chlorinate the well in the rainy season, how frequently you should chlorinate? Do you have the answer in the Park textbook? No, right? So somebody was suggesting, sir, where is the limit of entrance exam? There must be some boundary, no? Suppose they ask, what is the silicon content in Antarctica? Who will answer? So, but it is a serious exam. We all came to get a serious seat. But this is an interesting and important question if you are a consultant of SPM. So be very sure. I asked one of my juniors, 1 year junior to me, he is a professor of preventive medicine. Do you know it is weekly or twice weekly? Just I will check it and tell, he was answering. He is a professor in one of the medical colleges. So even a professor of preventive medicine is not very sure. So that is called entrance, right? So it is weekly. one proposal is weekly. I'm not very sure. I'll once more check it and come back. Don't lose the heart if you answered it daily. Huh? Then what is rollback malaria? What are you planning to roll? So it is the insecticide treated mosquito nets inside which you ask people to sleep. And research about new drugs and vaccines, and also educating the mothers. They're all considered to be the important components of the rollback malaria. Now this is a very common question in our mock tests. Panel discussion, symposium, group discussion, what do we do, how many people sit, how many sleep, everything is a very common question. So in panel discussion it is 4 to 8 persons who are qualified to talk about a topic will sit before the audience. Symposium is series of speeches. One after the other will come and keep talking the way we see in conferences and workshops, etc., etc. So the answer would be group of people, before group of people, 8 to 10 people are talking is an example of the panel discussion. You all agree with me. Sudden ophthalmoplegia, Wernicke's encephalopathy precipitating after eating the cooked rice is an example of thiamine deficiency. You all agree? No alternative, wonderful answers. Then this is a very routine question. Demographic cycle, different stages. Past 12 years or 13 years, the same question is continuing. So it is the declining death rate with a low birth rate which constitutes the definition of late expanding. I am not very sure what was the syntax given. Whatever it is, I mean in the sense, you know that death rate declines still further, birth rate tends to fall. This is the combination, probably some such thing would have been given in the options. Normal conversation in a quiet room. Of course, they did not give conversation between whom. So whatever it is, we assume that they have not yet married, assuming that conversation is still cool. So how many decibels it will generate? Don't you think this is also an astrologer question? Definitely. Of course, noise pollution is one of the irritating topic in the last pages of Parker, but there is no way. So normal conversation produces 60 to 65 decibels, as all of you know very well. If the birth rate and the death rate is not known, how do you calculate fertility? Was it the question? Was it the question? Basically, if you want to calculate general fertility rate, you need birth rate. But if you want to calculate net reproduction rate, it is number of daughters a newborn girl will bear during her lifetime. So it does not require to know about death rate and birth rate. Probably that would have been the answer for this question.